Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy DIY easy method. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium pan, whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour until golden, slowly pour in 2 cups of warm stock while whisking, simmer for 5 minutes until glossy, season with salt and pepper, and strain for a silky finish. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving. This easy method gives reliable results and works with homemade or store-bought stock. Start by melting fat over medium heat and adding measured flour, whisking constantly until the roux smells toasty and turns light brown. Slowly add warm stock or pan juices while whisking vigorously to emulsify and prevent lumps. Then bring to a gentle simmer to encourage thickening without breaking the sauce. Taste and season gradually, and remember you can thin with extra stock or thicken with a slurry if needed. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find these easy tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated and spill-free while you cook, a small kitchen win that makes long prep easier and more enjoyable. Peek in the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you like the idea. Now let's get back to the video. For flavor variations, deglaze the pan with a small splash of wine, vinegar, or even a little soy sauce to pull up fond and deepen the gravy. Stir in fresh herbs, a teaspoon of Dijon, or a splash of cream near the end for added complexity and a smoother mouthfeel. Finish with butter for gloss, taste for seasoning, and serve warm over your roast or mashed potatoes for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.